So it's a rainy day at Disneyland. These are always actually the best times to come because there's like nobody here. So easy to maneuver in all the lands because there's really nobody here. Right now it's about 10:30 in the morning, and usually by this time it is crowded and you can't move. But on a rainy day, it's perfect. We're actually here for my wife's birthday this weekend, so her birthday is on Monday, so we're going to spend the entire weekend here in Disneyland. She's right behind me. And it should be a nice weekend. It should be nice. Shouldn't be too crowded. There are a couple things closed down because they're doing refurbishment, but it should be a nice weekend overall. Right now we're heading to Indiana Jones. Love that ride. It's so nice. It's so nice on these rainy days because normally it is just ridiculously crowded with people and you can't walk. And I think I lost my family because I think they're going to a store. So let's take the detour. So Brooklyn took us to the back side of the Tiki Room because she found Moana. Okay, so I had to stop here because pickles are my favorite snack at Disneyland. And look at, this is new. This was not here 3 weeks ago when I was here. They now have sour pickles, spicy pickles, the regular pickles, and garlic pickles. I'm gonna have to try all three of the new ones because normally I just get the regular pickles because that's all they had, but the flavor profile they're extending, oh my god. Time to visit my favorite, the Haunted Mansion. Nice short 15-minute line while we wait for our fast pass for Hyperspace Mountain. There is the ghost horse drawn carriage right there.
Dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely.
Quick little view of Star Wars Land from here. All the rocks are going up and things like that. Can't really see too much, but still empty, guys. We're in New Orleans Square right now, and usually this place is just crowded. Not today. The rain is keeping everyone away. I think we're heading to Big Thunder Mountain Railroad right now. This is pretty unheard of for at noon on a Friday to be a 15-minute standby wait time. That is just unheard of, especially for this ride. Pause your video, get a good look We took a little walk onto the Mark Twain. So here's a little view of Frontierland from above. These are out of service right now because of the renovations and things going on with Star Wars Land and Rivers of America. So they kind of park the Mark Twain here, so you can just kind of walk around and check out the boat. Over there's Pirates of the Caribbean, which is closed down, and New Orleans Square. Still empty, and I love it. There's Pirate Island, and it's closed down back there because of that. Behind those trees is Star Wars Land, so you can see the big crane up there behind those trees. These birds just don't care. They just fly right by you. Pretty cool up here though, guys. It is gorgeous. Check this out. Inside these little seating areas, it says life jackets. And you would think because it's Disneyland and it's a little river, there wouldn't be any. But there actually are. There's a ton of life jackets in here. We found the Shadow Man.
Baby, that's for me. Come on. What's your name?
It's in my backpack. Here, you want to look at a picture of, I don't know, ESPN? Uh-oh.
This will be reported to Captain Phasma.
I'm in trouble, guys.
Move along.
He just told me to move along. And he just came right up to me. He started yelling at me. That's a big bully. Only 35 minutes right now for standby at Hyperspace. Crazy. We got a fast pass. So we're going to jump right on it.
Storing hats, glasses, and all loose possessions in the cargo pouch located directly in front of you. Prepare for launch. Hold down on the lap bar in front of you.
Star Wars store is awesome. Look at the umbrellas they have right there because it is a nice rainy day. But check it out, look at this. They got Elite Series Darth Vader, and I get my discount. They didn't have him at the Disney store that last video, but he's $40. And get a discount off of him because of my annual pass holder. But everything here is just so cool. It's a great shirt. Look at that giant X-Wing fighter in the air. Awesome stuff in here. It's so scary going Indiana Jones, isn't it? Alright, you gotta lead us, B. You gotta take us to the adventure. Yep, I'm following you. Oh my god, watch out! Just kidding. There's nothing there. So cool in here, guys. It's like the best line at Disneyland. They keep everybody outside in the jungle area, and then you get to walk through these tunnels. It's so nice.
Candle wax.
It does look like candle wax in here.
I like candle wax better.
Alright guys, arms up everybody, arms up.
The brakes may be needing a little adjustment, but easy on the curves.
Path leads to timeless youth and beauty.
Thanks. You guys are on your own.
Everything over here on the pier for California Adventure is decked up in Lunar New Year for the Chinese New Year, Year of the Rooster. It's been pretty cool because they have these booths that have Chinese food and Korean food and Vietnamese food and all that stuff. Here's some facts that I can't actually read. I guess I could read the bottom. But they have all kinds of cool stuff all over the place for the Lunar New Year. I've actually never been here during this time, so we've never seen this before. So this is new to us. Look how cool, guys. Brooklyn's going on the carousel with Cinderella. That is awesome. Look at, there's Princess Tiana right there. And then way over there is Belle, straight ahead. And then right behind us is Brooklyn and Cinderella.
Please make sure you're standing in between the two seat features and facing goal. Thank you.
So that was pretty cool. That has never happened, and we are annual pass holders, and that's the first time that a princess has actually rode a ride with us. We're heading into Cars Land now, down good old Route 66. It is amazing in here at night. I absolutely love it. I don't know if we're gonna go on any rides. We're gonna do a little shopping because we're gonna head over and try to check out the electrical light parade because it just returned to Disneyland. So we're actually just kind of wandering around, not dedicating any time to any ride lines or anything like that because we have to go watch the parade. So it's almost 6 o'clock right now, and we have a little bit of rain still coming down. We actually had a little bit of a break there where we didn't get any rain for a few hours, quite a few, probably about 4 hours, and the rain is starting to come back down again. Oh, this is my first time being here since Hollywood Tower of Terror closed down. I forgot. When I was here late December, it was still open. It is gone now, waiting for Guardians of the Galaxy. Look at these signs though. Look how beautiful everything in Cars Land is at night. It is just outstanding, guys. It is spot on to the movie. The music just makes me happy being here. I wish I had my Westphalia so I could park it like right there and sleep. But I can't, because it's Disneyland. Good old Route 66. We forgot we actually have a fast pass that's available for any ride, so we're gonna jump on Radiator Springs really fast because there's literally nobody really in line tonight. It's only a 60-minute wait for the regular line, which is nothing for this ride especially. So we're gonna use our fast pass and jump right on the ride. Look at, there's no line for the fast pass.
Champion needs speed
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Won again on Radiator Springs Racers. We're like 10-0 now on that thing. We never lost, so pretty awesome. Heading over to Disneyland now in the rain. The rain's starting to come down a lot harder right now, like it was this morning. So we're hoping they still do the electrical light parade, which we don't know. It's electric and it's rain, and those things usually don't mix. That's an awesome umbrella. Why'd you go with Luke?
Because I already have Kylo Ren.
Do you? Oh, that's awesome. All right, there's the spicy pickle. Got a little bit of spice to it. Tastes just like the regular pickles, but has a spicy aftertaste. Got the sour one too. I'll try that later. This one's okay. Alright, the spicy pickle got a lot better actually as you kept eating it. I ended up eating the whole thing and it's really good actually. So it's been raining like I said, and it's 1 minute away from 8:30 when the parade's supposed to start. And it looks like they're gonna cancel because all the cast members that are normally here along the streets, they all left. They're all gone. So I think they left so they don't get yelled at because it's about to get canceled. Let's wait for that announcement right now.
This performance of the Main Street Electrical Parade has been canceled. We regret any inconvenience this may have.
Time to go on the mountain. And it's cold and wet, and hopefully we don't get soaked when we go through the braking system because it'll be really freezing. We never see the fireworks from over here because we're always out Main Street area. It's actually pretty crowded now here, but you don't see the fire that's over by the castle. But you do get the fireworks, and you get some video mapping on Small World.
Haunted Mansion. I am your host. Your
No, this is on there.
host.
Ooh, look at the ghosts!
Is this
Yes!
actually stretching your imagination? This chamber has
11 o'clock at night, 11 miles in, and it's time to do Dumbo. Oh, now you're making us go down. Brooklyn's above us. Brooklyn's way up there. And we're going down. Brooklyn's behind. Oh, there she is. It's Brooklyn. Alright, 11:30, so we're going to close out with the carousel and Fantasyland. And we're going to call it a night right after this. Hit the taxi, get to the hotel, shower up, go to bed, back here in the morning.
What age do you want to take?
We didn't eat that many today. Yeah.
Smell that chocolate still coming out though. Right there out of those little vents.
Yeah, Dan and Tosh? I can't. I mean,
Money, life, annual
there can be people.